Greetings fellow Earthlings, Jake here, and we are continuing our journey from last week. I'm heading into another undocumented sinkhole. This is the deepest one we discovered on this expedition. Mike found this one, and I'm going to be the first human to ever explore this hole in the earth. Welcome to Dangerous Natureous. This one was actually pretty difficult to get into because of the bend at the top. I had to go in blind and feel around for footholds, which is a kind of unsettling feeling.
Yeah, be safe. I mean, pay attention to the ceiling and stuff.
At this point, I have no clue what lies beneath me. It could be a 5 or a 50-foot drop. I can't even tell. Ooh. Oh. Yeah, this is rock. Yeah. If you want to drop that tape measure, I think I can make it to the bottom. All right, hold on. There's a big spider. Get on your way. All right, he's out of the way. Oh, nope. I fucking hate boots. Okay, you pull it up. Touching bottom. It's a dream of mine to find something like this that opens up into a giant undiscovered cave. And though this might not have been the giant cavern I was hoping for, it's still really cool to climb down into something that no one else has ever explored. The mystery of exploring unknown caves has been something that's captivated me since I was a kid, which kind of makes sense since I grew up down the road from an old cave tourist attraction. I used to always hear stories about hidden treasure and ancient artifacts rumored to be in unknown caves. It's hard to tell from the video, but this was a breakdown up ahead, so I was unable to go any further. After getting some measurements and documenting this new sink on camera, it was time for me to make my way out and continue the adventure above ground, where Adam and Angie would show us the view from these rugged ridge lines and even another small cave. It's like a curve around this spot that kind of sucks. Yeah.
You're having to work for that one.
Yeah.
Oh, you got a little wet on that one.
So that probably goes out right there, but that goes like 20 feet. After searching the area for more sinkholes, we took a well-deserved break at a small nearby cave and then continued on our journey. And then I fall. I just want to point out that we were hiking up and down these muddy hillsides in borderline freezing temperatures through an array of rain, sleet, and snow. That, my friends, is what it takes to be a true adventurer, or a complete crazy person. I'll let you be the judge of that. As I peer out over the vast hillsides of southern Ohio, I wonder what mysteries still lie hidden within these hollers. Am I standing in the footprints of ancient native peoples who once explored these cliffs and soaked up the natural beauty of the land as I do? What we discover on future adventures is hard to say, but I do know one thing. I'll enjoy every single second of it I get to spend exploring in nature. As always, enjoy the great outdoors, leave it better than you found it, and thanks for adventuring with Dangerous Natureous.